This is Birdsong. I'm a law professor in Orlando, Florida at the Barry University School of Law. I have a blog called birdsongslaw.com. You should read it. There's some interesting and sometimes funny things. I collect weird criminal law stories from all around the world. I'm going to read some of the weird criminal law stories that are going to appear on my blog soon. Here's one that comes out of Boulder, Colorado. A 52-year-old Colorado woman has caused a sensation in her neighborhood by insisting on gardening wearing nothing but a yellow thong and pink gloves. Police in Boulder say Catherine Pierce is not breaking any laws, but neighbors are upset because there's a school nearby. Pierce says forcing her to cover up would be a violation of her free speech rights. To which Birdsong, a law professor, replies, that may be true, but what about our rights in not having to see a nude grandmother? This one from Sacramento, California. There may be racial profiling in this case. A California man named Calvin Ward is suing Sacramento police for repeatedly arresting him on warrants for a man named Calvin Phillips. Even though Calvin Ward is black and the wanted man is white. In addition, Ward, who has no criminal record, is over 6 feet tall and Phillips is only 5'8". Sound like the police need new glasses, folks. Russia. This story out of Russia. They call it Russian roulette for a reason, folks. A guest ruined a Russian wedding recently by handing around a supposedly unloaded pistol, only to discover the gun was loaded when another guest put it to his head and pulled the trigger. The man was critically wounded and the gun owner was arrested. Birdsong wants to know what kind of wedding allows a pistol to be handed around. Do not invite me to that kind of wedding. All right, here's one from Magnum, Oklahoma. An Oklahoma woman thought she was texting a friend when she wrote, "If you want a hit of this stuff before it's all gone, you better get over here, girl." Unfortunately, she dialed the wrong number. The number she did dial belonged to a drug task force agent. He texted her back, asking for the address. She sent it. Police promptly got a warrant for her arrest. Idiot. Idiot. Finally, this one out of Indonesia, sort of a strange story. Indonesian authorities arrested a 92-year-old tiger poacher who claims he has slaughtered as many as 50 endangered Sumatran tigers dating back to when he was 17 years old. The man faces up to 5 years in jail. Scientists tell us that there are only 400 Sumatran tigers left in the wild. To which Birdsong says, it appears, ladies and gentlemen, that the eye of the tiger has caught up with him in his old age. This is Birdsong. Read my blog, birdsongslaw.com. See you next time.